Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I just want to unbox an amazing gift from my beloved husband. If that sounds interesting to you and you want to know what my husband gifted me, hey honey, darling, sweetie, you need to continue watching. Let's go there.
Now is my time to shine. When your time comes, don't postpone it. When others doubt and out, you don't condone it. Truth be told, yourself is your toughest opponent. When your moment comes, grab hold and own it. Never let go, stand tall and hold tight. Overcoming obstacles is the objective in life. Doubters all the night, and onto them you shine bright. Cause inside your head, on goes the light. Ignite, play the intuition upon the stars in the night that glisten. To you they listen, to be you is something to wish in. When your time comes, don't postpone it. When others doubt and out, you don't condone it. Truth be told, yourself is your toughest opponent. When your moment comes, grab hold and own it. When your time comes, don't postpone it. When others doubt and out, you don't condone it. Truth be told, yourself is your toughest opponent. When your moment comes, grab hold and own it. Never let go, stand tall and hold tight. Overcoming obstacles is the objective in life. Never let go, stand tall and hold tight. Overcoming obstacles is the objective in life. Doubters all the night, and onto them you shine bright. Cause inside your head, on goes the light. Doubters all the night, and onto them you shine bright. Cause inside your head, on goes the light. Doubters all the night, and onto them you shine bright. Cause inside your head, on goes the light. Ignite, play the intuition upon the stars in the night that glisten. To you they listen, to be you is something to wish in. Ignite, play the intuition upon the stars in the night that glisten. To you they listen, to be you is something to wish in. Ignite, play the intuition upon the stars in the night that glisten. To you they listen, to be you is something to wish in. When your time comes, don't postpone it. When others doubt and out, you don't condone it. Truth be.
Hi guys, hello, hi, hello, hi, hello, hey. Hi guys, is your favorite mama other kings in the building? Yes guys, welcome back to my channel guys. If you are new to this channel, my name is Adeze Onyeka. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Qatar with my lovely family. Yes, and if you are joining us for the first time, feel free to subscribe to our channel and be a member of this family. Turn on bell notifications so that once I pop up a great video, you will be the first to get notified. Isn't that great? Let's jump into the video. Hey, birthday girl. So guys, this video is just a video to unbox my gift. Yeah, the surprise gift that my husband gave to me on my very birthday, the 28th of December. Okay, my husband gifted me my favorite gift. Guys, this is a gift I have been longing for so long, and God answered my prayer through my husband. Yes, he came back with this lovely bag. Guys, check out the package. Isn't this lovely? Guys, I can even use this bag as a handbag. Yes, I can use it as a handbag if I want. It suits in for a handbag. Guys, check that. So my husband came home with this lovely package, okay? And this is one of the gifts. Guys, this smells so good. My lovely husband gifted me this flower. It smells so good. Yes. And then the main gift. Yeah! Guys, my favorite phone. Guys, I have longed for this phone for my vlogging. Okay. So guys, he got this. That's the bag. The main bag, direct from Samsung office. He got it direct from Samsung. You can see that. So Ans None, innovative distribution, Qatar marketing company. So this is from distributors of Samsung here in Qatar. So before I open this gift, I want to say a prayer to my husband. Yes, guys, on this pandemic, things have been very difficult in this season. And for my husband to get the mind to get me this kind of phone, he deserves my prayer. He deserves my blessing. And this prayer is coming from the bottom of my heart. Honey, Engineer Mr. Kinsele Onyeka Mmadabuchi, Joel, my beloved husband, I know you come across this video, but I pray for you today. Wherever the money that came you used to buy this phone, God will replenish your pocket 1 million folds. My husband, you will never lack. I bless you today. You shall be great among your equal. God will continue to protect and favor you. He will give you long life and prosperity. Sweetheart, you will see your children. Money will never lack in your hands. My love, you are the love of my life. I love you today, forever. You are the best gift that has ever happened to me. I pray to God today that you shall never lack. May Almighty God continue to bless you for me. God bless you, sweetheart. God bless you for this gift. You don't know what you have done for me. You don't know how happy I am. And I say, may God protect you for us. Amen. Guys, if you are watching this, please don't leave here without saying a word of prayer for my husband. Please leave a word of prayer for him, for me. So guys, without wasting much of your time, let's go right into the unboxing. Let's see what this phone looks like, okay? LGS Galaxy S10 Plus ceramic white, 1 terabyte. So guys, let's do the unboxing. So this is the phone. Yeah. I removed the nylon. Do not accept if seal is broken. Caution, sealed package. Samsung. If seal has been broken or tampered with, do not give clear receipts. You see it? So guys, we just remove the shell and yeah. Oh my God, guys, see that? Can you guys see that? Can you guys see that? Guys, this lovely. Isn't this lovely? Ceramic white. Oh God, I'm loving this already. So that's the phone. So let's see what the inside looks like. Okay, it came with a pouch. So guys, this is what the pouch looks like. It came with a pouch. Okay, so that's what the pouch looks like. So that's the pouch. So let's remove it. That's the pouch. So let me put it right inside the pouch, like so. Okay, I didn't remove the back. Okay, so let's place it right into the pouch. Guys, that's it. You just put it inside the pouch. So let's see other things that came with it. So this is the manual, quick start. So this is the guide to start the phone. Yeah. So I have to read the manual for you guys. I don't use electronics without reading the manual. So plenty manual in different languages. So this is the warranty. Yeah, this phone, it have 1 year warranty. So this is the warranty card. And this is the manual, the quick guide. No, I edit my videos with my laptop. So hopefully, okay, hopefully I will be sending videos to my laptop before I use it. So guys, here is the charger. Guys, look at that. That's the charger. Okay, I think this is what I will use to transfer to my laptop. Oh my God, this is good. Oh my God, I'm loving this. Guys, look at that. I think this is what I can use to transfer from my phone to my laptop. Yeah, I think that is it. I don't know what is in there. Let's check what this one is. Okay, this is the cord. This is the wire for charging. Guys, see how everything is just filled. This is so amazing. I'm loving this. So this is the cord for. Wow, it came with an amazing earpiece. Guys, that's the earpiece. You can see that Mona is awake, but let's see, where is the quick? Okay guys, this phone is water resistance. Hey God, see that they are telling me how to use it in water. Guys, the phone is water resistance, so it can actually go inside water, man. Oh my God, I have read the instructions, and the good news is that now let me tell us the specifications of this phone. People of God, your girl is just happy. Yes, that's the truth. I'm just happy. Okay guys, they said that the phone, this phone, number one, it is 1 terabyte. Okay, 6.4 gig RAM or what? Okay, I will still check. Then fam, the one that is getting me crazy is that they said that this phone, oh my God, is water resistance, so I can actually throw it inside water. Okay, so guys, at this junction I will stop here. Okay, yeah, until we charge the phone. I will be back to on this phone with you guys. So let me go and charge it. So guys, we are back. Guys, look at your girl's phone. Pink. So guys, our phone is charged 100%. So I want to on the phone. Guys, look at that. Galaxy Samsung S10 Plus. So we are opening our phone for the very first time. And your girl is super happy, guys. Forget it, I'm happy. Oh, I can't wait to put my SIM card. Can you see? So guys, now I'm restoring everything in my other phone because I'm giving the other phone to Mona. Protect your phone. So face recognition, I think I'm going to choose my fingerprints. I can't believe I'm the owner of this phone. Fingerprint added. Okay, my husband is not around. Okay, when he comes back, I'm going to add his own fingerprint. Okay, yeah, I will add my husband's fingerprint to this phone when he comes back. So next, guys, I'm done setting up my phone. We are almost there, setting it up. Your girl is happy. When hubby comes back, we are going to get a phone holder for my vlogging. Yeah, so I will be vlogging with this from today. Then because I edit with my laptop, you can see the adapter where I can use to transfer to my flash drive, then put to my system and edit. Guys, I'm so happy for this because my camera is quite a small camera. The camera I'm using now, and I'll be making a video, the memory is full. Guys, it has been crazy, but God has answered your girl. Is it? I can't wait. I can't wait to start saying hello. Like hello. Someone is already blushing. Like, you know that? I'm blushing already. Our camera is set up. Our app is done. I'm just updating the Galaxy store. Okay, guys, please do not leave without saying a word of prayer for my beloved husband. For gifting me this, I'm super grateful. Like, guys, I'm so grateful to be the owner of this. Okay, thank you so much, guys, for all of you that bring out your time to wish me well, celebrated with me. May celebrations never cease in your life and family. God bless you all for all you do. I love you guys. For staying till this moment, God bless you. Thank you guys for your always support. I appreciate you all, and may God bless you all. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All of you that bought gift for me, you guys are the real MVP. All of you that super chatted me, you guys are the real MVP. I love you guys, and I will be ending this vlog here. If you watched it this moment, trust me, you are the real MVP. Thank you all that graced my party. Thank you all that wish me well. Thank you all for your lovely goodwill. Thank you all for your gifts. Thank you all. I love you guys. I love you all. God bless you. Thank you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.